To set up fingerprint unlock on Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter lock screen, then go to screen lock and biometrics, enter your current password and look for a fingerprint. Click on continue, register, and then you can see the fingerprint scanner on this button right here. You need to start touching it with your finger from multiple different angles until the fingerprint is fully scanned. And here we have it, we've just set up a fingerprint unlock. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.